everybody. We are at Lumi in the Gaslamp. I'm going to take my mask off because Chef JJ isn't standing close to me. I'm going to turn the screen because it's not about me, it's about him and his new restaurant.
Hi guys, this is Chef JJ and Lumi here in the Gaslamp right now. We just opened up like 2 weeks ago. I can't wait to have you guys all into our restaurant so bad.
You can take your mask off because I'm 6 feet away from you.
This is JJ.
Yeah, I love it. And tell us like your signature food, like all your things.
All right. So what we do over here is first of all, we actually have a signature Chef Huntress pizza. That's no-brainer. But we also have a little twist of Peruvian and Korean into it. So now we have a ceviche, we have a Korean chowfa called kimchi chowfa, and we have a strawberry, ready strawberry, which you haven't tried it. So
I didn't have that today.
Try it today.
Ooh. So tell me more about this place. Like, what's it about?
So it's about open, being friendly, be on open air. So it's like before you used to be in like locked in a restaurant. Now you're in an open space. Now you're actually enjoying the sushi. But now on top of another one is like not just sushi, but now we're just going to a Nikkei cuisine. It's Peruvian Korean kitchen.
I love that Peruvian Korean combination. And then tell me more about your cocktails.
Oh. I mean, that's the secret. You guys need to kind of come to our venue, and then I can maybe share with you guys a little bit.
The cocktails are crazy.
So it's well, listen, I can't tell you anymore.
Oh. I mean, but so delicious. And then like your fresh fishes. Today I had your pork belly. This crazy pork belly. Tell everybody about that dish.
So what we did on the pork belly is before we used to grill it, but it kind of gets tough. So what we do is we kind of braise it with the sauce. So for about 35 hours. So
35 hours?
That's the reason why when you kind of put it with your spoon and try to break it apart, it's super easy.
It's like creamy.
Yes. That's what we're looking for. It's not about like chewy pork belly or fatty pork belly, but it's more like tender breaking apart.
Whoa. And then it's like rice with quinoa?
Rice is garnished with quinoa, puff quinoa. We call it pumpkin. There's a crispy quinoa and pumpkin, two different things.
Okay, what do you do?
So,
puffed versus crisp.
Right. So here's the steps. So you have to overcook the quinoa, you rinse it off, and then you dehydrate it to the point it's completely like right out.
Ooh.
And then you drop that into 450 degree Fahrenheit of fryer, which is like smoky zone. You instantly drop it, pull it out, it puffs up like popcorn.
Oh my gosh, was that what was on the salmon?
Yes.
Okay, and then tell me about that miso glaze.
Oh, so I got the concept from our lot of Japanese restaurants, especially I work for local now. So that's why I kind of took the concept of black miso, which we marinate with the damn miso, and bring that element into our restaurant and start using the gochujang on the pickles. So we kind of converted a little bit more Korean side to it and marinate the salmon for like 12 hours.
So it marinates, which almost cooks it?
No.
Oh, it doesn't. Okay.
Marinates kind of penetrate the flavor all the way inside. So normally salmon.
It was like butter.
It's like salt, pepper, and just grill it on. It's either medium or you fry it up. It's like that. But this one, you get to kind of taste it fully cooked up, but like tender, like with the heat.
Did you roast it in the oven?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. All right, tell me about the green sauce.
Oh my gosh.
Tell me about your grease. No, you don't have to tell the recipe.
All right.
No, that's secret. Just tell us like a little bit about this famous green sauce.
All right, so the green sauce that we have.
To allure them to come to see you.
So, main ingredient is jalapeno, malt vinegar, and wakatai.
Don't tell them anything else.
Yeah, you guys need to kind of search out on the wakatai.
Whoa, and then tell us a little bit about your other sauce.
Oh.
But don't tell them much. Just tease them.
It's a mix of Korean and Peruvian. That's it.
And let me tell you, Chef James delivered that to our house when you guys did your beautiful RMD restaurant group, COVID safe, phenomenal, curated box.
Right.
And I have been coveting that green sauce and the red sauce that I can't pronounce.
Right.
So say both of the names for me.
So one sauce is called Kaibi Kucho.
Kaibi Kucho?
Yep, very, very good.
Kaibi Kucho.
There you go.
Okay.
And the other one is called jalapeno wakatai sauce.
Jalapeno wakatai.
Yeah, That's correct.
All right, I got it. And you are amazing, and what a gift to this restaurant in San Diego. We're thrilled to have you. Thank you, Chef JJ. Everybody come down. You guys are totally safe down here. It's completely physically distanced while staying socially connected in the Gaslamp at the Huntress in Lumi. Right?